Benjamin Zandler, I come back to him again, used to do something beautiful. He would teach people classical music. In a conference of musicians, they realized that the number of people who are interested in classical music is 3%. And the body over there, after a lot of discussion, decided, let the target become to make 4% people interested in classical music. Everybody clapped for them, gave them a standing ovation. Brilliant work. Because from 3% to 4%, increase of 33%. That's a big increase in the lovers of music. Benjamin Zandler said, excuse me, I want to talk. He goes to the dais and says, I think this research is wrong that only 3% people like classical music. If you ask me, I'll tell everybody likes classical music. Only 3% know about it. 97% don't know that they like it. Because they have not heard it the right way. You know, when I play music in a creaking music system, along with the sound of the music, the sound of the machine also comes, and it's not pleasing to the ears. It's not karna priya. What Benjamin Zandler used to do in his classes, first day of school, he'll tell everybody, I've already given all of you A grade. All of you A grade now. Like it, right? All children start smiling. He says, great. Now take that pressure off. Now let's have fun with the books. And point number 2, the date in the report card is 29th of May. 29th of May, all of you are going to get the certificate which says you are A grade. Now, the only condition is you will have to write a letter to me. The date of the letter is also 29th of May. Write in that letter, what did you do so that you got A grade? So, for example, you write, the entire year I was very punctual. Hence I got A grade. The entire year I worked very hard. Hence I got A grade. Entire year I would passionately do my homework, hence I got A grade. Entire year I was very disciplined, hence I got A grade. And Benjamin Zandler will tell the students, bring this person that you are describing in that letter to the class every day. Don't bring the other person who's there inside you. Remember 2 people? Do you remember that? So don't bring that other person. Bring this person and we'll have fun. So you'll begin the class every day by asking, who has come today, the other person or the A grade? Children would have so much fun in his class. And many of them have gone on to become classical experts and orchestra conductors. But what if somebody does not get an A grade? What if somebody does not perform well? And Benjamin Zandler would say, the name of a person is not to judge a person. Okay. We have a life schooler, somebody who's done the batch of life school, whose name is Khushi. What is her name? Khushi. And let's say Khushi comes to me one day, little sad, and says, Naren, ye issue ho gaya. What will I do? Get out? Throw her out? Her name is Khushi. She has come sad. What will I tell her? Go change your name and come. Ja Dukhi ban kya. Go take out a public gadget, change your name to Dukhi and then come. See, the name is not to judge the person, the name is about possibility. Darling, it's possible for you to hold on to happiness. That's the work of the teacher. Inspire them to live by something. Inspire you to live by the A grade. Can all of you take up this challenge? Go to the class tomorrow and tell them, all of you should score more than 90% in my subjects. Write a letter on the final day, dated final day, and write down what did you do by which you will get 90%. In case somebody does not get, tell them, you still are capable of getting it. Never think I can't. Think about possibilities. It's possible. Then our work of a teacher gets done. Otherwise, we are going there, maybe for a few of us it is a career, tankha. We run the family through that. But that does not make the tea profession noble. Nobility is about, remember those 3 things. 1, expanding the mind of the child. 2, making some fantastic contributions in the life of the child. And 3, when the child is off track, when the child is making mistakes, when the child is not doing enough, the way you tackle it and make them believe that yes, you can rise to the top.